Hello and welcome to Virtual Open House 2021-2022 school year. If you're viewing this, you probably received a letter from Mr. Gutterman stating that your child qualified for these services. Just to introduce myself, I'm Mrs. Hanley. This is my beautiful family, my husband Griffin, our four children, Willow, Guinness, Lincoln, and Fiona. Um, I've been teaching here at Purchase for 22 years. What is AIS? AIS stands for Academic Intervention Services. These are services designed to help your child achieve learning standards in English language arts and mathematics. I teach K through 5 reading at Purchase and 3 through 5 math. Schedules look different for every child. First grade schedule will look different than a fifth grade schedule. It's based on the classroom, what they're doing, and what's best for the child. I've already started taking kids this year, so they know what their schedule is. If it's a first grader or a second grader, I go to their classroom, I pick them up, and then I take them back to their classroom when we're through. If it's 3 through 5, they generally come on their own and then go back to class on their own. This is my Zoom link. Hopefully we won't need this, but if your child is quarantined, this is my Zoom link, and I will be sure to send that out to you if it's needed this year. What does a typical reading lesson look like? There's lots of different things we may be doing. We might be identifying letters and sounds, rhyming words, blending CVC words, tapping words out, blending them together, looking at sight words and identifying them in text, retelling the story, determining main idea, making inferences, reading strategies, determining which strategy to use when we get to those words we don't know. Um, and we're always reading books or text. These are some of the things we might be working on, and it all depends on what your child needs and what grade level. Typical math lesson, we might be working on facts, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We might be working on word problems with 1 or 2 or 3 steps and determining which operations to use. We might be looking at fractions, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, measurement, area perimeter of a certain shape or object. We might be doing long division. Again, these are some of the things we might be doing, and it depends on your child and what they need. Two important links for reading and math is iReady and Dreambox. Your students have already completed the reading or math iReady diagnostic. We do that 3 times a year, September, January, and June, to monitor progress. If they are a reading student, they also are responsible for doing iReady lessons at home, and I will send home the information for how they are going to be able to get onto iReady. For math, we don't have iReady lessons for them to do, and they're responsible for doing work in Dreambox. I'm excited for a great year. I've already got started with your student already, so we're off to a great start. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. The best way to get in touch with me is through my email, handleyj@harrisoncsd.org. And I look forward to the rest of the year.